Good day, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today we are in Naples, Florida. It's check-in day at the Naples Grand Resort, and we're going to give you a little walkthrough of the room that we got. We opted for the garden villas. Pet friendly. They're on the first floor, so we can easily walk the pups without, coming down the stairs and being loud with two, 40-pound puppies. That, and they got some nice little backyard areas, I hear. So I want to go ahead and check it out. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. I'll give you a room tour now. 127 for the villas. Alright, so you kind of come in. Lighting's not the best here, but we got, when you come in, you have the living area. You have this nice kind of wraparound couch with a huge coffee table that separates. So you can kind of, and then you have the access, to the room next door if you do rent the two villas. We opted for the one. So we also have the front lanai. This one has a little more set up to have your breakfast. And you can see Patty's been having her coffee. It's a really nice little touch. And then you got the bamboo that's nice and upkept to look at. And something that we didn't realize till we were sitting here, you can't see the fountain that's over there in the courtyard, but you can hear it. So you also have this nice built-in cabinet here, countertop. And then you got a built-in television. You also have all your amenities here. You have your microwave, your coffee maker, and even these little complimentary bottles of water. What is that? The Naples Grand. Got a nice little work area for the kids or the wife, or laptop, me later to edit some videos. It's really nice. Alright, so coming into the bedroom, you got the king size bed. Nice little end bench here for the end of the bed. Some end tables. Not to mention all the storage space. Got an iron and a flatboard. Oh, Patty, look, they've even got some nice robes. Some bags. Oh, umbrellas. That's nice. That is a really nice touch. We brought our ponchos. Coming in the summertime to Naples area, definitely want to make sure you got the rain gear because it can rain at any time. But that's really nice. It's a great big closet. Speaking of storage, here in the bedroom they have a nice dresser, really nice, smooth drawers, so you want to store anything in them. Really nice. Nice 55-inch television here for us in the bedroom. And we have another porch. Wow, I didn't know we had two porches. Nice little area to walk the dogs. This is a pet-friendly room. This has been kind of like my favorite part with the pups. Coming into the room with the pups, you got this nice little almost backyard. You share it with your neighbors next door here, but it's a nice little area for the pups to kind of run, do their bathroom, so we don't have to, go out in the main area. This has been something that I've truly enjoyed with them. So if you're gonna stay and you do have some puppies or some dogs, yeah, it's truly nice. Something I did not anticipate, something I did not see on the hotel brochure. Alright, coming into the bathroom here, let's turn on some lighting. So coming into the bathroom, staged really nice. You got a couple, you get your little plant over here, and then shower door. Let's look at some of the setup here. A little closer look, it's got a bunch of different settings on it, so you can change the flow of the water. And a little bathtub for the little ones that, need a soak. It is incredibly deep compared to your standard tub. And then I'm a big fan of the hotels and resorts that are switching to these bottles that are reusable for the body wash and shampoo. It's a really nice kind of change, other than all the little plastic bottles and whatnot. And I think that's pretty much it. You got the toilet over here, and then they look like they give you plenty of towels and paper, just paper products. They even got a hair dryer in there, shower cap. So really nice setup. It's nice and roomy. I really like this open area here, so when we all kind of come in, that's a good place for the dogs to kind of hang out. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough of the villas here at the Naples Grand Resort here in Naples, Florida. No, I'm going to enjoy my stay here, so if you're coming, drop us a comment. Tell us how your stay was. Tell us if you have any questions about the property. We will be having other videos come out about, just a walkthrough of the properties, a vlog of our time here. So if you're interested, hit the subscribe button so you're keeping up to date. Make sure you're liking the videos and sharing it with others to enjoy. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, and smile. It's free. Later, everyone.